Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5 account. So first of all, launch MetaTrader 5 app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of Manage Accounts. Now, at the top right corner, you can see a plus icon. Tap on it. Now, over here, go to the search bar and simply search for FTMO. Now, tap on FTMO Global Markets Limited. Now, over here, all you would have to do is log in to an existing account. So, enter your login details. Then simply enter your password. Now choose the server according to your preferences. I'm going to choose FTMO demo for now. Then after this, if you tap on the option of login, you will successfully be able to connect FTMO to your MetaTrader 5 account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.